Yan.
13.
SIG. 13-inch. Foldable stock na. Alright. Okay ito ah. Magkano din ito, sir?
36, sir, hanggang 34.
34. Guys, so nandito tayo sa Tux and nakita natin yung
Labas natin.
Spear MCX 13-inch. Alright, so medyo mahaba siya. Folding stock siya, guys. Tsaka full metal talaga siya. Ganda. And DA color, guys. Alright, napakaganda, guys. Ito yung nasa wishlist natin. Okay, GBBR, guys, by the way. And yung cost is between 34 to 36,000 dito sa Tux. Alright. Ito naman yung extended version niya. So, yan. Metal talaga siya. 13-inch. Ito naman, guys, is the yung stock niya is the classic one ng SIG version. And ilang inch to, sir?
9.5.
9.5. So, good to for CQB. And then, folded stock din siya. Medyo ano lang, guys. GBBR din po ba to?
GBP.
GB. Wow.
BFC din.
Alright. BFC brand, no?
Apo.
BFC brand, guys. So, hanggang. Ganda, guys. Magkano to, sir?
35 hanggang 33.
33. So, max is 35. Pwede natin siyang ihagol to 33,000, guys. Okay. Ayan, guys. SIG, guys. Lalo na pag i-dress up mo pa to. Nako, ang ganda. Woohoo! Alright, scope. Plus the scope, plus the laser and everything, guys. Ang ganda. Alright. Guys, so ito naman yung flash presser. Ang ganda, guys, no? It's a SIG brand, 5.56. One is the LPVO. And meron siyang 30mm na ano, guys, elevation. So naka-DE na siya, guys. Color. Look at that. Ganda. Alright.